This is a quick video on how to use Ableton's native delay plugin. Without the delay, this is how this guitar sample will sound. So now let's just plug in the delay. This is the default preset. So what you can do here is you can link the left and right by clicking the stereo link. So you got a left side and a right hand side linked together, but then you can unlink them. So let's just hear that sounds like. So we can change the speed on the right hand side versus the speed on the left hand side. And obviously we can link them together and just change them together. So the other thing you do is set the time from sync to time to be set to milliseconds. And once again, we're going to link the delay and we can just hear how that sounds. So you notice as it gets smaller, it just sounds like a wide effect. And as you get bigger, there's quite a bigger delay. And then you have delay offset, which is basically shortens the delay time or speeds up the delay time. And feedback is the tail of the delay. So if we just go back to sync, basically what feedback does is just says, how long does this tail go for? So this is basically a very long delay. And this tail here is infinity. This means it will just never stop. And as you go towards sort of zero, it's pretty short. Now we can also do other things like factor in the EQ for the delay, so we can have just high-end frequencies or just the low-end frequencies. And you can do some filter modulation and control the timing and the filter modulation. And this is the rate of oscillation. So this is a very fast oscillation. You can ping pong the delay. Instead of just playing on both left hand side and right hand side, the delay will play on the left first, right hand side second, etc. So it just goes from one to the other. So listen to the difference now. And the more you EQ it and the different rates that you have set up, the more it will sound a bit weird. We can do a fade delay or a jump delay. So it just jumps from one delay time to the next. And obviously we have left and right, and we've got width as well. But all this can be controlled through the mouse.